Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Robert Palmer, and today we're just gonna be looking at this thing called Earnably. So I'm sure you clicked on this video because you want to earn some free PayPal money. Well, it's really easy and simple to do it. So I'm gonna guide you how to do everything. I've actually made, as you can see, 37.1 points so far, and I can show you right here. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick right now, but so PayPal. It's $1 PayPal cash for 125 points. You can auto redeem it, which is amazing. Like my friends have made past money on this. You can refer people, multiple things. So let's start off with just the basic earnings. What I've been doing so far is just the videos. I just go to videos. So I'd recommend to do the engageme.tv or the Smarts TV. So far, the engageme.tv was like not working for me. I don't know what it was. Maybe I was doing something wrong. So at the moment, I've been going with the Smarts TV. As you can see, shoot. So it just plays the ads. You can look over here. 2 of 3, and I've been earning some points just putting it on the background. Like, I could be playing Fortnite, and normally what I would do, sorry.
With Advil liquid
Really
gels, you'll ask, what bad shoulder? What headache? Advil is relief that's fast, strength that lasts. You'll ask, what pain? Advil and go.
So yeah, that's basically what happens. As you can see, your account was credited. I just go over here, boom. But yeah, pretty much, I mute the normal videos because I just don't like watching them. I normally just keep it on in the background while I left it on for sleeping, but then it'll ask, are you still there? So unfortunately, you can't grind on it. But after that, so if I refresh this real quick, as you can see, just got 0.7 points for that. I think it depends on which country you're in, but I'm pretty sure you can get different points. Like, if you live in the US, you can get more points, I'm pretty sure. I'm not 100% though. So you have that. So then, so far, I've only done the videos, but you could do daily surveys. So my friends have told me this is a great way to do it. Opinion surveys, like, okay, so my friends have basically done your surveys the most. Opinion surveys, I think 1 or 2 of my friends have done. They have not. I've not referred them, and they have not referred me. Um, but like, okay, so I can go over to the offer walls. You can see like earn points by completing offers. Like you just complete their offers, and you get points which can convert into PayPal money. It is actually amazing. It's beautiful how easy this is. I don't have to do really anything. Um, the games, from what I know, is you have to pay money to play, and then you get money back. See, 10% cash back on you spend. I'm I'm not 100% how the games work yet. I would like to know more, but it's just like, to me, it doesn't really look that good. Promo codes, I'm pretty sure you can follow them on their Twitter and Facebook, and they randomly just give out promo codes. I think they do like Trivia Tuesdays or just some sort of trivia. And the trivia is like they give you, whoever wins gets the promo code, and the promo code gives you some points. So here is the invite tab. Personally, I've tried this. Not a lot of my friends already have this or do not want to get it, so I don't have that many referrals. I have 0 referrals. I will be putting my referral link down in the description. If you guys want to use it, you'll help me out, give me some points. If you do not want to use it, it's perfectly okay. Just go to earnably.com and you'll just have to log in, or no, sign up and just start off. I would personally recommend to do the videos, from what I've been doing so far, but what I do is boom, click that, go into like Discord, Facebook. I don't really use Facebook. I mainly just sent it on Discord so far. Just basically that. Sorry. But yeah, like as you can see, it normally like this doesn't play unless you're actually on the tab. So I just like make it small like this, and just have it over here, like so I don't see it. But that's really all, guys. I would really recommend to use this. A lot of my friends have made, tons of money off this. And if you came onto this video like saying, yeah, I really want some PayPal cash, but then like, shoot, man, it's like, I don't know if I want PayPal cash. Like, maybe you can't like redeem it to your bank account for some reason. I don't know. Personally, I can. I've made. Like, I've just been trying a whole bunch of websites. This one has been working pretty well. My friends have showed me multiple things, how it works. But, like, you can go on. Let's go. One of my friends was thinking of getting it because of the App Store. Because he wants to get his, like, some songs on his thing or whatever. You can get some Cineplex or whatever it is in your country. You can get some Amazon gift cards. I've gone to some other websites which I will be posting in the future. You can get visas for USD or Canadian, depending on whichever one you live in, or yeah, pretty much that. Like just gas, like if you want to pay for your gas in this way, you can go to like just. I personally live in Canada, so everything you see here will be Canada. You can even pay for trips. To me, that's amazing. You can pay for trips. Like how? Then you can get like some food gift cards. You get some of these. Like this is a clothing brand in Canada. You can get. I don't know what Athleta is personally. I think it's like I don't know. I have no idea what that is. You can go Bass Pro Shops. A lot of people love the caps there. It's like I don't know if it's still trendy, but you know it's like pretty easy to do. It's not really you have to do anything. And guys, if you have a Bitcoin account or like Coinbase or whatever, I don't know what Coinbase and Litecoin and Ethereum, I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know what those are. I just know what normal Bitcoin is. I don't want to get into it. Just to me, it sounds complicated. And if you guys would like me to do a video on Bitcoin in the future, just comment down in the comments down below. I will do the research for you guys and all of that. But like Bitcoin, you can just go put that in your Bitcoin wallet. Personally, I'm going for PayPal just because I like the real money cash. You just put it over to your what is it called, bank account, and boom, you're done. But like, just all I do is just sit here. Like for example, just go on my phone. I'm not actually on my phone, but just go on my phone. Like drink some water. I don't know why I even have this here. Boom, and like just gain money. Really, it's like so lit. So yeah, I would probably rate this a 9 out of 10. I feel like if there was a way I could earn more points quicker, that'd be amazing. But on the other hand, they are technically giving away free money. So, just search up Well, it's Earnably.com. You know, if I click on this. Earnably.com. I will be putting my invite code in the description. Here, I'm just going to copy that actually. I have multiple other websites, so guys, I will be hosting those. This is going into a playlist. I forgot the name of it, but it's going to be like unlimited money and PayPal. It's just like so you guys can really. This is for, I guess you could say, a younger audience, for entrepreneurs like that just want to make some extra cash on the side. If you have a full-time job and you're just like bored out of the blue, you're just like, I want to make some extra money. I want to go buy like I don't know, something from. Canada has Tim Hortons, something from McDonald's, Starbucks, or something like that, depending on where you live. Just these websites will help you. They'll get you PayPal cash, and most of them have multiple choices for where you'd like to send money. I personally have made. There's multiple ideas that I've had for like selling things, and like marketing. I've sold video game items, and it was like me personally building my own business. It was super hard. If you guys would like to see how to do that, also comment down in the comments. But that one would take a bit longer to explain, so I'll probably have to put that into different parts. But I really do hope you enjoyed this video. I really do wish you did, though. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and you know, maybe English, please. Maybe you can you know, share it with a friend. You know what I mean? Share it with a friend. Yeah, you got me. You got me. Thanks, man. So see you guys later. Have a great day, and like it, comment, join it, make some easy money, and I will see you guys later. Bye.